here's how to edit Metafiles on product page on Shopify. So you can easily edit Metafiles on Shopify of its product page. So I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method on how you can do this. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to log in into your Shopify. So logging into your Shopify is very easy and simple. Y'all know that by now. So just press login and make sure that you choose the website that you always use. You usually have your products in it. So I have my two products over here. The one's a PS5 console and a Rolex watch. So for this video, I'm gonna do for a Rolex watch. So how do you add Metafiles? So for some people, when you click over here, you don't have Metafiles over here, and they just think that this option isn't available for them. So how do you get access of it? So it's pretty simple. You just have to go to settings. When you go to settings, you get many options over here, as you all can see. Store details, plan, billing, user permissions, payments, checkout, customer accounts, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties. So you got many options over here, but don't get lost. So you just simply have to go and click custom data. When you click on custom data, as you all can see, there's a whole meta field section, and it says add a custom piece of data to specific part of your store. All right, so you can add meta fields for variants, collections, customers, orders, draft orders, locations, pages, blogs, and many more, just like markets. So what you have to do is we're gonna add in this video we're specifically going to add for products. Just press on products. As you all can see, I just made one, and it's a totally random one. So how do you add another one? So let's say you literally don't have Metafiles, so you just press add definition, and as you can see, it's whole thing. So how do you give it a name? So for your product, so you can just give it a name, just like Rolex is made of stainless steel. There we go. Now we write stainless steel over here, and we give it a description. So we just gave it a short description, and you have to select its type. So it depends on you what type of type you want. You can get for single line text, multi-line, integer, decimal, product, or file. So people usually go for a single line text. Just press on single line text, and here's your minimum character count. So minimum should be 7 and maximum should be 100, and press save after that. All right, there we have done it. As all can see, it's pretty much done over here. So we go back to our product, and let's see how we can edit it now. So once we're here, as all can see, I got 2 beta fields right now, and I'm just gonna press show all, and as all can see, I can give it 100 type of like this. So once we've done with that, we'll go to its website and check it out over there. So you have to press on customize, and there we are. Now we press on the watch, and as all can see, you can now add it to your Metafiles and do whatever. You can customize everything you want. So you can just once you've done the thing that you had earlier for your product, let's say you added its band material and type, so you can just edit it and make its text do whatever you want, and just like that. So guys, remember, everything has its own piece of information. So once you've done that, it will just show up, and you can just like that. I can edit now anything. Before I hadn't add the meta field, I couldn't edit anything, as all can see. Move to next position, and I can change its position, as all can see. Previous, and I can do whatever I want, and I can hide them. I can do whatever. So yeah. So there are basically different stuff for different products. So if like you're wondering, I've only added for the watch, let's add something for our another product that's a PS5. So as all can see, I haven't added a single information for my PS5 right now, but I'm gonna add a few things for it just so y'all can make sure that you can edit whatever you want in like your that thing. So you go back to no, we have enabled the Metafiles already, so we don't need Metafiles again. Just go to our products and click over here. Once we click over here, we go down, and as y'all can see, I haven't set it up the thing, and it's doing the same stainless steel and gamer PK for my previous product. So you have to give it a difference. You know your product more than me, so you can just give it a difference. So for these two, I'm just not gonna let it say. So I'm just gonna go to definition, and I'm quickly gonna change this. I'm quickly gonna change this into PS5 logo. There we go. Now
There's two lots to turn this off.
all right. Let the numbers and character count remain the same, and press save. And there we go. Now you can add it in your store product checking out area and do whatever. So yeah, that's pretty simple, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So as y'all can see, I'm just gonna write something over here. I'm just gonna write PS5 Wiki. All right, I'm gonna copy something from Wiki. That's a little smaller. All right, that's enough, I guess. I'll put it over here. At its 100. Press save. Now check our definition settings. All right, there, as y'all can see, we have it right now over here. And now we go back. We go back to our online store and customize again. And now I can edit its hold everything. So yeah, Metafiles are very useful for like if you want to edit your stuff like that and everything. So as all can see, I can hide this single letter and do whatever like, and I can change its text, and I can duplicate it just like that. As all can see, we can do like stuff with that. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can edit Metafiles on product page on Shopify. So I hope I helped you guys out, and peace.